News 8 at 6. Local people, local news.
Good evening, everyone, and thank you for joining us. Prosecutors are gearing up to try the case of Brad Comfer, accused of murdering Norrie Jones in her Pocatello home back in 2004.
Today was the preliminary hearing in the case. It just wrapped up about an hour ago. Luke Jones is live outside the courthouse. And Luke, really a very high-profile case here, isn't it?
Exactly, guys. You got the sense this was a big deal. The very moment you set foot in the courthouse this morning, people actually entering the courtroom had to go through an extra set of metal detectors set up outside. They did have extra security in place. Now, all day we heard from a total of 8 witnesses from the state, including several officers who responded to that murder scene, as well as 2 people who were close to Norrie Jones, including her former boyfriend and former best friend. The judge also admitted several key pieces of evidence, including several photos of that crime scene, each time making sure witnesses kept them clean out of the view of the news cameras. But we are told those photos show a naked Norrie Jones lying face down in a blood-splattered room. As that description was being read out in court today, you could see members of her family in the courtroom visibly upset. Now, we do have a big development for you out of today's hearing. Both the prosecution, the judge, and the defense all agreed that witnesses wouldn't be allowed to compare testimony. That means that they don't want them comparing notes and getting ideas from each other. And after each witness testified today, they actually had to leave the courtroom. Now, we'll be here tomorrow as the hearing continues bright and early, and we're told it could even run until Thursday. We're live in Pocatello today. I'm Luke Jones.
All right,
Well,
thanks,
thank
Luke.
you,
That
Luke.
is a really big court case, high profile, that's for sure. Well, time now to check